Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly find the correct size for your Pentair Clean Clear 200. That's also known as the Pentair CC200 or the American Predator 200. So the first thing you want to check is the height, or it's usually listed as the length. It could be the length or the height of the filter. And you'll just take a tape measure and measure it out, and you're going to see that it's 31 1/8 inches. So it's just going to be slightly over 31, and that's going to be the length. And then you want to take a look at the outer diameter. The outer diameter, sometimes listed just as the diameter, is going to be 10 1/16 inches. And then the inner diameter, and the inner diameter is going to be 6 inches even. So those are the correct sizes that you're looking for when you're replacing this filter. You can also look at replacement model numbers. Just another note, the amount of media, the reason that it's 200, or this Clean Clear 200, it's 200 square feet of media in the filter, and that's what you're going to be looking for this. The model number for the Pentair, if you're looking up this item for model number, is going to be the R173217, and you can look that up on Atomic Filters and find the correct replacement filters. All of Atomic Filters filters are made in the USA. So when you look at the top of the filter, a lot of times you're going to find a model number. Ours says made in the USA, and then it has the model number on the top of the filter. And so if you're looking for a model number from another replacement filter maker like Filbur or Pleatco or Unicel, I'll give you those model numbers, which you can look up as well. So you can look up the filter by the Filbur model number FC-0688, and by the Pleatco, it's going to be the PAP200 or PAP200. And then for the Unicel model number, it's going to be the C-9419 as the model number. So you can look up those filters on Atomic Filters by their model number or by their sizes, and you find the correct replacement for your Clean Clear 200. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out at atomicfilters.com. Have a great day.